Hello friends and family, and welcome back to Cooking with Cousins. Today I am showing you a recipe of my own creation after the need arose for quick and tasty biscuits. Before you begin the dough, preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit on bake. To begin the dough, start with 1.5 cups self-rising flour. Add 2 tablespoons buttermilk powder and mix. Make a well in the flour and add 3/4 cup heavy whipping cream. Mix with the spatula until it gets difficult, and then switch to kneading it with your hands. Once the dough becomes smooth and cohesive, roll out the dough on a floured surface and begin cutting out the biscuits. Place them on a prepared baking sheet and brush the tops with a tablespoon of melted butter. Once the oven has reached temperature, bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden. Enjoy with your favorite toppings, and I'll see you next week.